BY4 mock, which is the June 2015 paper, question 6. Two sections below are taken from different regions of a kidney. Okay, so we think of a kidney, we've got a region there, and the outside region. Okay, all with names, and then we've got various tubes coming off there. Okay. Region of the kidney is talking about these major areas of the kidney, and you need to use these diagrams to help you. So from here on these diagrams you can see these cup-shaped items with lots of stuff in them there, okay, and then kind of longer things, okay. And then down here we've got circular things with gaps in the middle. So these could be tubes possibly that are chopped. These could be tubes as well that are chopped but along their length. So we've got, and these are, hopefully you recognise the shape of those. Okay, so the region of the kidney, this region here, and these items here are kind of the evidence. What are those? And B, region probably further in, and what could these tubes possibly be? Explain how the nephron and its blood supply is adapted for ultrafiltration. So 5 marks here. Hopefully you are hoovering up these marks here for ultrafiltration. You just need to find in your mind the notes. So we've got the regions of the kidney there, and then we are looking, why are we getting ultrafiltration here, and remembering what the names of some of these gaps and some of these layers are. Okay, what forces blood through these various gaps, and you're just finding 5 marks in a little bit of theory there. So a copy and paste of your notes really, with all the key words and phrases there. Then we've got quite a tricky part here, part C, 3 marks. So 3 marks here, you're going to have to say at least one good thing for one and 2 good things for another. Using your knowledge of the role of the kidney. So your knowledge of the role of the kidney. So that is coming from your notes somewhere. Why these diets are recommended. So if you've got kidney disease, think about the things that are not working in your kidney. So there might be various problems, but what does a kidney do? Kidney is there to remove urea, because you need to get rid of the toxic nitrogen compounds out of your body. So you want to get rid of urea. Where does the urea come from? Well, you are eating protein that gets broken down into amino acids that are either used or we need to get rid of them, and the amino end gets converted into ammonium compounds, and then converted to urea, which we can get rid of. So why would eating less protein mean that the kidney doesn't have to work so hard, or makes things easier for the kidney if it's not working? Again, what are the problems here? So what would be the problem if we had too much salt? Well, the kidney is involved in the regulation of salt, so try and come up with the idea that I know a little bit about how the salt is removed, or the exchange of salt in the kidney, and having a low salt intake would mean that wouldn't have to happen. And also you could come up with, for the second mark, a possible problem if the salt was still too high in your body. So can you think of any problems associated with a high salt concentration in your body. Over the page, part D, name structures A and C. So A, well, that definitely looks like something in your notes there. And C, well, it's not the hypothalamus, but it's the other thing up there in your brain. Hopefully these are fairly easy, and your teacher will be able to tell whether you did much revision by your answers to this, possibly. Give 2 examples of what might cause a rise in blood solute concentration. This was a little bit difficult to explain. Yes, dehydration, but we want to know, how do you get dehydrated? So what would you actually be doing to become dehydrated? What might you actually be doing, or in your diet, what you might have something low or high in your diet. From your knowledge of the kidney, what would be the result of higher levels of ADHA? So, plain question, what does ADH do? And just copy that out of your notes.